Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for tuning in and checking out another episode. So today is the final episode of the Chevy Cruze build. We button up splash guards, we do a good cleaning, and then I'm going to reveal to you at the end what the overall project cost me, both the auction fees, the purchase price, and with all the parts and everything I did. So really excited to get this episode out there and done, wrapping up this project and being able to move on to the next one. Got some really fun stuff coming up on the channel. So yeah, anyway, thanks again for tuning in, guys. If you haven't subscribed and you want to, please click the link below and turn on the bell if you want to know when I post. Usually I post on Sundays. Today is Monday. I'm a day late. Had some stuff yesterday I was doing, but I'll wrap this video up and get it posted tonight, and should be some fresh content on the Cruze. So again, thanks everyone, and hope you enjoy the episode. What's up everybody? We got a new shipment in from the FedEx guy, so kind of a big box here. Let's see what we got. Hopefully it's the fender liners or the new splash shields for underneath the engine. Oh, it is. All right. So this is the new splash guard. Goes underneath the motor. Fantastic. Excited to get this piece. Got some clips. Looks like I have to figure out items, but yeah, let's get going on these liners. See if we can't get this stuff installed. If you're ever tempted on Amazon to get some cheap plastic vendor retainers, do not buy this brand. They are shit. They are absolute crap. They're made of the cheapest plastic possible. They explode just putting them in. So do yourselves a favor. Spend a few extra bucks and do not get these pieces of crap. Time to clean the interior of the Cruze. Most of the external work has been done. Now it's time to give her a little detail. So let's get started. We just got the interior cleaned out and now we're about ready to buff the car, so pretty excited. Found this Meguiar's rubbing compound. Don't know much about it. Read some reviews and said it was great. So it's supposed to help remove some oxidation and bring back some finish to this paint job. So we're gonna try it and see where it goes. Hey everybody, that wraps up the Chevy Cruze project. Told you guys at the beginning I would reveal the cost. So at Copart, this vehicle out the door was $2,152. With all of the parts and supplies that I purchased, I even factored in a couple tools in there. I was $4,376.25. So effectively $4,400. Now, if you went to the local classifieds or Auto Tempest or something like that, Auto Trader, this car is going anywhere from, $5,000 to $6,500, depending on the miles and the condition. Now, this one does have 115,000 miles, but the condition looks great. Albeit it now has a rebuilt title, but I think I got a great deal on this car. It's a great commuter car. It drives, it runs really good, it looks good. I spend a little extra time doing the detailing, so it feels clean inside, and it is just a great car to drive. Now, $4,400, I probably could have got something running, driving, ready to go, but I wouldn't have had as much fun rebuilding it in my garage, learning so much about this stuff. Really excited to share this build with you guys. But that's a wrap on the cruise. So onward to the next build. I got a 2012 Jeep Wrangler 4-door that is demolished. I got a fantastic deal on it. I'll let you guys in on how much I paid for that. And we'll show next week the first part of that build. So I'm really excited to get started on the Jeep, get going on that project. And I've always wanted to have a Jeep, so I realized that the way to own the car of my dream cars is to buy them wrecked and demolished and just take time fixing them myself. There's a lot of satisfaction in doing that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you guys want to. Click the link below to receive notifications. And hope you're enjoying the content, man. I'm having a great time doing this and sharing this with you all. So have a great day.